I'm gonna show you a quick tip on extruding complex structures with round corners. As you can see, I have this slipping pad. I already have this front face form and want to make the exact form on the left side with a smoothly rounded corner. So switch to the edit mode, vertex select. We need to set the cursor at the top corner. Shift S on the keyboard, the cursor in the right place. Switch to edge select mode and select the front edges. Decrease the clipping to see all faces. Now I can easily select all edges. Go to the top view. Enable the 3D cursor function to transform around the pivot point. Disable the proportion editing. Now press E and R to rotate around the corner by holding Ctrl during rotation to snap to a degree. Press E and R to repeat the extrusion. More edges, more the round corner will be smoothed. And now you can extrude straight on the y-axis. That's it, you have a nice looking corner. Only need to fill in gaps. If a shape has a deformed form, go to Mesh, Clean Up, Merge by Distance. Subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed the content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.